welcome back to Funventure, and today we are making the easiest and soft moist pizza dough. Ingredients you will need for making the pizza dough, or you can even make a chicken bread with it. We have the recipe, you can check it out.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on.
Mix well until combined. Add water thoroughly while you have to knead it really much, so the dough comes in shape, like it becomes a solid kind of, and you have to add water until it's like in a shape.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So now I am covering it in some flour. You can use like all-purpose flour to make it less sticky.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now cover your dough ball and the bowl with oil before putting it to rise.
Fueled by
Now cover your dough in fresh wraps before putting it like for rising.
and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Let your dough rise for 4 till 5 hours.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So there we have it. This is the recipe to make the soft, moist and easy pizza dough recipe. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Just a cool time lapse of a pizza just baking.